My name is Gordon Maretzki. I'm a professional engineer. I am a research lead here at the Walker Advanced Manufacturing and Innovation Center. I work together with the team here, which consists of a lab manager, co-op students, associate students, and other research leads, as well as a lab tech. Our research here is applied research, which means that we take industry partners' ideas and we apply our technologies and try and move them further along in the commercialization process. An industry partner may approach us with just as small as a concept idea, and they may have a market for this and they're looking for ways to bring this to market. Or we may have another industry partner at the other end of the scale who has quite a well-developed idea and they just need our technical assistance to further commercialize their product. And the technologies that we specialize here at the center are reverse engineering, which essentially means very precise measurement in metrology, additive manufacturing, which is a fancy word for 3D printing, and 3D modeling and analysis. Those are our three main technologies that we try to leverage to assist our industry partners to bring their products to market. So why is this relevant? And it's relevant for a number of reasons. Firstly, we are helping companies bring products to market. We help them develop their products so that they have a larger market base, that they improve their technologies, and potentially have an export market they can address. Secondly, companies are often reluctant to try new things, and this gives them the opportunity to come to our center, try out the new technologies, the 3D printing, the reverse engineering, the 3D CAD modeling, and see if that works for them. We can help them develop a product using these new technologies, and if successful, which often it is, they can now incorporate these new technologies into their overall operation. Thirdly, the relationship that the students have with the technology partners is invaluable. The students get to work on real problems, real world issues, work with real industry partners, and hone their skills accordingly. Often industry partners will end up hiring one of our co-ops because they've worked on a project with the industry partner. They've seen how the student works, observed their work ethic, observed their technical skills, and have trained their student to their processes. So the student can leave our center after they graduate and hit the ground running with this new employer.